Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my Amazon for Beginners channel. So on this video, I'll show you guys how to source products from Chewy for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to ask again if you guys can please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and that way other people can also see my stuff, right? Um, yeah. With that being said, so this is how you source from Chewy for your Amazon business, right? So you start with going to Chewy.com, of course, and then from here you pick any product that you're somehow like familiar with, or any any product really, especially if you're a beginner. So you start with a product, and then you go to Amazon.com, and then what you do is you copy the title, and you're going to do a reverse search on Amazon, right? And then from here you would look for the exact same product. So this one is a Blue Buffalo life protection. Okay, life protection formula. Is it this one maybe? Let's see. Oh, okay. There's more here. So this one is a 15-pound bag, right? 15-pound bag, which I think is this one. So, and then once you find the product, so this is chicken and brown rice flavor. Yeah, chicken and brown rice, 15 pounds. So I think it's the same product. And then from here you would run the numbers, but unfortunately this product is selling at a higher price on Chewy.com, right? It's at $37.65. And on Amazon, it's about $35. So obviously, there's no margin there unless I'm missing something. So yeah, so this one is 35, right? 35.77. Let me see. Yeah, it's gonna be a negative ROI. But I hope you guys got the point, right? So you can look for products from Chewy.com and then do a reverse search on Amazon, right? And once you find the product, you would run the numbers, and if the numbers make sense, then you can buy that. You can buy that product for your Amazon business, right? Yeah, this one is obviously not matching, so I would pick another product. Let's try this one. Okay, so from here we copy this, and then we search on Amazon. Things right there, and then I think we found it. But the problem with this though is that it's not the exact same product. I'm sorry, it doesn't give you the exact same, or it's not cheaper on Chewy. But let's double check. So this one is $26 on Amazon. Is it the same one? Let's see, pack of 24, pack of 24. Okay, so $27.96, right? Is the price of this one? Yeah, it's negative also. So I would look for another product. Let's see, try this one. Let's try this one right here. Yeah, product research takes a lot of time. So I usually have my VAs or virtual assistants do their product research for me because, as you guys can see, right, it's really time consuming. So let's see, is this the one? So this one is 16 pounds. This one is 3.5 pounds. This one is, check it out. Yeah, I don't think it's here. Yeah, I don't think it's here. Unless it's this one. Oh, this one is a 7-pound bag, so it's not it. This one is a 16-pound bag. Well, actually, hold on. It's here too, so I would click here. Yeah, so now this is the 7-pound bag, right, for $18. Yeah, the problem though is it's also $18 on Amazon, right? So it doesn't. I mean, the products match, but but the prices there's no price difference, right? Yeah. Wait a second. This one is 18.49. I'll just plug it in. So 18.49. Let's see. Yeah, there's really no margin unless you sell this down here, right? Which could possibly work. Let's see. Yeah, I mean it's kind of risky to do this though because you're starting off negative, and then unless you want to sell this like up like down here, I mean you can, except that you're kind of priced out, right? So yeah, this one is decent, but I hope you guys got the point though. So the point of this video is to show you guys how to source from Chewy.com. So again, start from Chewy.com, right? And then you pick a product. So I picked this one, it's this one, and then I went to Amazon, and then I looked for the exact same product, which is, I believe, this one. And then I ran the numbers, and it's negative, but unless you want to, so here is it could be profitable for you. So I hope you guys got value from the video. And if you guys are liking my video so far, can you please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and that way other people can also see my stuff. And with that being said, appreciate you guys for being here today, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.